Hello, today I'll be reviewing this Ryobi jump starter. It came with a 2 amp battery and a charger. And you can use any Ryobi battery that comes with your drill or your separate batteries, you can use it. And the reason nice about this jump pack is you just have to replace the batteries right here. Because I know you can buy the Amazon jump starters that are like $100. But when they go bad, you just throw it in the garbage. But this always has a battery right here, and it's always charged. And if it dies, you can just grab a new battery right there. And how it works is you hold it. This green light comes on. There's a prime button. So you press this, it'll start priming for 60 seconds. You can override it. So if your battery is really dead, it's not working, you just hold it and it'll override the priming. And then this is just a light. It blinks and off. So I'm about to hook it up to this motorcycle over here. This battery is not completely dead, but it won't start. It just clicks. So the bike doesn't start. So I have it hooked up. So it says you hold the power button. And then you press this button right here, the middle one. So it's priming the battery. It's sending power to the battery. And you wait 60 seconds. As soon as it turns green, you'll be able to start it. So I'll pause the video, and as soon as it turns green, I'll unpause it. Oh, it literally just turned green. So it started right there, and I give it a thumbs up. I want to try it on like a car, but I don't really have a dead battery. If I can post some comments if everything works out, but so far I love it.